the Capitol, Governor Mike Pence is renewing his push for lawmakers to create a pilot preschool voucher program this year.
Pence says he's hopeful a compromise is possible with a little more than 2 weeks left to go in the session. RTV6 State House reporter Katie Hines is live downtown to explain this one for us. Katie.
Todd and Erica, it's members of the governor's own party who he'll need to convince. The House introduced and approved a program to create a pilot preschool voucher program, but Senate Republicans delayed any vote on the measure, instead voting to send it to a study committee for further review. The preschoolers in Mrs. Petty's class at the Shepherd Community Center are hard at work Wednesday, coloring and clipping artwork. 97% of the students at the center on Indianapolis' east side rely on vouchers, including Jenny Izaguirre's second grade daughter.
If we can afford to pay a good education, we can decide to bring our kids here because we can, the voucher give the opportunity to decide which school we want for our kids.
The state-funded vouchers are available for students in kindergarten through 5th grade. Parents of 4-year-olds in preschool pay $100 per year, a reduced price thanks to the help of grants and donations. Shepherd Community Center Director Sana Dumas wants to do more.
I've had many parents in my office this year just sharing, and there's a great need, and not only for tuition money, but also for things that they need in their homes, transportation to and from school.
Dumas tells us a pilot voucher program for the state's neediest 4-year-olds would allow her to expand the curriculum and class to more students. Governor Mike Pence points to Shepherd as an example of the need for one of his key initiatives.
There are children that start kindergarten without access to programs like this, and they start school not ready to learn.
That's why he's urging the General Assembly to create a pilot program this year while also initiating a comprehensive study.
It's the right thing to do for those kids, giving them the opportunity to arrive at kindergarten ready to learn, but it's unquestionably the right thing to do for our schools and for the future of our state.
The 2-year pilot program is estimated to cost the state between $9 and $11 million a year, and it's that price tag and also committing that money in a non-budget year that has concerned Senate Republicans. Reporting live at the State House, Katie Hines, RTV6.